Right guys, welcome back, and today we got another 992 in for some awesome upgrades. As you can see behind me, it's sitting right there. It's gone for our ES700 and HRE wheels, but just keep watching, stay tuned, and we'll take you through the whole thing. Right guys, so we mentioned last week about some HRE wheels, and now we're dealers and stuff, so we've got a very special set in already. This is going to be going on a 992 that's going for a crazy project, but for now, let me show you this wheel. So this is the HX101 edition, which, as you can see from there, is carbon. So pull this out there. Put that down there, and just look at that. It's a 22-inch wheel.
Quite nice.
It's mad, isn't it?
I'm just looking for the camera as well. I haven't even looked at it.
So with this, the customer's getting a matte carbon full tech art kit. So we went with a matte carbon barrel, and along with the frozen bronze center finish on it. So it just looks crazy. So as you can see with the wheel, this barrel is just pure carbon. It doesn't affect the structure, it's very, very strong as a wheel. HRE also give a warranty on the wheel as well. But yeah man, I don't think you can get better than that, right? It looks sick. Can't wait to see this on the car, so we'll give you more on that project when the car comes in. Dan's very special 992 Turbo S came in, and he went for our ES700 conversion, and that he went with the titanium exhaust system, our intakes, and CSF intercoolers, just to ensure that charge temperatures stay low, and any long distance high speed driving that he does, the intake temps don't go too high. He also went with H&R springs to lower it, and also with HRE R101 lightweight wheels. We went with the 22-inch rears and the 21-inch fronts, and in the frozen white gold color, and it just complements the car amazingly well. It looks sick. That it's like an OEM Porsche color basically with the white gold, and it just goes with the black so well. But the stance of this car is amazing. It looks awesome, it sounds good, it makes good power, and we'll find out soon how fast it is as well. So guys, we've got another couple of really cool 992 projects that are going to be commencing soon. One is ongoing in the workshop, and that's getting an ES900 set up. That's from Europe also, but it's a bit hush-hush at the minute, so we'll show that later on in a different episode. But this one's sitting here right behind me. This one is going to be a very, very special car indeed. So he already had our ES700 package from previous. He's upgrading to the ES900, but that's not all. Remember those carbon HRE wheels we showed you previously? Well, that's for this car over here. He's also gone for some Bilstein coilovers and a full Tech Art carbon body kit. So it's going to have the wings, the bonnet, the whole thing, everything that we can put on it Tech Art, including steering wheel and eventually the interior. So yeah, this, guys, we're going to be doing over the next few weeks, and it's definitely one that you do not want to miss. Right, so Dan's ES700 is now complete and it made 721 horsepower at the wheels. As you can see, it's a very linear graph as always there. The torque delivery is nice as well, and so that works out to be 850 horsepower at the crank. Now some of the other cars, they have made more power with the same mods. Dan's a little bit less, but it's been a city car. It's driven central London. It's not got many miles on it, so it's not really been driven very hard in the last 800-900 miles that are on the actual vehicle. So it will adapt and make more power as well, because the stock power this car made with the stock file with the hardware on was 606. So it was a little bit lower than what some of them do make, but the gains are massive. As you can see, it's 115 wheel horsepower peak gain. But in the mid-range, we'll show you, there was gains of around about 140 wheel horsepower. So if you see, as we go over here, you can see it's 140 wheel horsepower from 53 on 100 RPM onwards there. 140 wheel horsepower, which is insane. So the mid-range is a lot meatier, and then that power just continues right until the end. How that translates to the road, we'll show you now. We'll take it out and see what numbers it gets.